Welcome back, y'all. So today we're going to build shutters for our windows. We're going to be using 1x4s. We're going 4 wide, and I go for from the top.
Wait. We're doing 4 wide. I thought we were doing 3 wide.
You said 4 wide. 3 wide will only make it like.
Okay, we'll look at it as we go and see if 4 wide's too wide.
I've already looked at it. It's not 14 inches.
And that's good.
It looks a little
We're going for a cottage look.
Yeah. So we're going to start cutting the boards for this, and then once we get them cut, we're going to stain them. That way everything's stained on them, tops, bottoms, and ends.
And we're doing this window and another window because these are the only 2 sides that we even remotely have close to being finished. We're not ready to rip off the back of the house yet and replace that Hardy, but most of this here under the carport and on the front porch is done. So we're going to get these 2 windows knocked out today so we can at least see if we like the look before we do it on the entire house.
Let's do it.
All right, so it's 54 3/4 is the length of the 1x4s we're going to be doing. I've already got this one measured and marked. You ready?
No.
Now I'm going to cut all the rest of the boards the same length, and we'll be back. Alright, so because it's getting dark, we're just going to get these boards stained and ready for assembly on a brighter day. And the stain that we're going to be using is brought to you by Thompson's Water Seal.
Not a sponsor.
Yeah, they're not a sponsor, but
Let me see. Semi-transparent wood sealer in the chestnut brown that we used on the carport. Alright, Tommy has all of the wood cut, and now I'm going to be putting 2 coats of the Thompson's Water Seal on both sides. It is pressure treated lumber, but we want this to last as long as possible, so I'm going to get 2 coats put on front and back. Alright, they're all done. So I'm going to let these dry for a couple of hours, and then I'll be back to put the first coat on the back, and then let that dry, and then we'll put a second coat on, and they'll be ready for Tommy to assemble.
okay, so we're going to start assembling our shutters. So I'm going to start here, put a screw in there to hold it. It's holding it. Okay, so I'm not going all the way through because I'm going to use the screws that holds this together to also put it on the wall. Yes, I know the screws are yellow. We're not worried about that. We can fix that. So now we're going to start assembling them, and I need to put screws in to hold. And what I'm doing is I'm just coming 7 inches up from the bottom of the window frame.
Now we're gonna get one hung up and see if we like it. And there you go. This is the window that's underneath the carport. So that means we got 2 windows finished. And yes, I know the back side of the house and other sides of the house still look bad, but we will get to it eventually if you guys will be patient. There's a reason that we haven't done those other sides, and we do the sides as we are able to do them. So let me show you both windows. Here's the one under the carport, so you can see it. And here's the one that's by the front door. So we're happy with the way they turned out. It kind of gives you an idea of what this side will look like once it's been redone. Need a window right there still. Big difference in that and that. And I'll put up a before picture of what this area right here looked like. And then of course we have to put in a window here, repaint this and do the trim. And then of course you have this albatross, which is coming very soon because I am sick of looking at this. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching and for being patient as we remodel what was basically an abandoned fishing shack and is now turning into a much nicer lake cottage. We appreciate every one of you that have been around here since the beginning. Like I said, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.